tigi la penya tele machalo in la tele mecha bino imiarni oloto lo ami kui were item konya bo perom ken ma tika kar yelo bachuli ki district ma unity cherieni me dog lock me actually watiki balalo mago bino lo bachuli ma government bene machalo dir president John Bukerchie, order number 3. My body no need go out belen. Kilo bachuli. Ento kumbiri go beyond the tea of Madwata. Ma polma, no be no go with a willa, Mokan go build on betting me beyond that I like a pink. Okay. Yes. Germany don't take a beyond a boy. I can wonder to the parliament. You know, my irritating in my bay. Nano wet to one of baking on Machal
actually, we call it cool a pen by Barney. You learning more. You look on being to Bella, more did look become the
yes,
and thought, we tell one can be
and look at the getting your cutting, penny can make it a Mukan again. I declare Mukan at level, but little Mukan level, Biba, Lutella, make what?
Yeah. Mera Bella, Kachel Brand. Mero correcting Ginachin, ma unwajani, Ladit Lugo Yeni Balalu, Kubedi Northern Uganda. But Kawiapo or the Maladi Ruwaja Yeni, the procedures, Mala Balalos Gubino Kedini, was wrong. Check me Uganda, no freedom me Uganda. Ye Kianga to my can be called, Ipam more can Uganda can. Where one no more. One you are Gaguma ticket for that. You are Gaguma Gulu, you do not. You are Gaguma Kampala, you are Gaguma Western Uganda, Kabir Moki and Uganda or Chima Paul. So, freedom Uganda Yeni, Inibit Kakamoki can enter Kayini Merchal Kabir Kuni, jet in a right way. So, give me about Balalo Yachini. Permit a chimwan will tell her what to try. Piana Mache, Warama Watuni were blaming again. Pian Palalos Eginimaku Pinin, actually the way. Oluto walk through La Teramo. Ma en go where one wajani, Lutella wing a winger, Kiloke. Piano yende mark Chamako, Chow can tie chin to that. Chini weapon animal, again Chow long and long Kijimigir. And a Nanamaka Megala did brand, Kibella. Abi ye ki check in your constitution me Uganda ni anu to mo ki ken be kama ken ento ka ci yini bi ci akuno wot ki yo mati kay yin dire ma de bilu katima acquisition of asset ma chalo ngom ya gago wot ki yo mati pe donc ki wot ki lo tela la tela mo ko binti ku cha bo dam kit moti me ya dilam cha me charo tu mi ya cha pamero lo ye
now in this situation tieni la pensioni bella modo ni ma ko ti ko ni che chat verification ya che riemgi mama gno petit legitimate owners of the land che rimon ko riemgi ya verification of the email
ana tamoni order number 3 madam Bella Wadini president must be obeyed umir konki war when you say you not in your congen then the verification should be done in a proper way, in a systematic way. Well, look, what am I because I want to more but let us take a chain, madam, very child specialist, make work with you. Yada one in the way what you are to learn media. And to learn media, Cabin lock or John Ucherotum. One job who can know the work on it. La war very ganglian. Ila kwa kiwa inidi ya mwani kikwalo chi yutum luperbon ma Wonkoma Beach kwa wajani kaji lingiyo ni kala diangiti kila mwiri chere barat kwa kichet kinyuti kama diang anayo bero tim inyonyo pa mono ni do diang yano ni wegene wachao chigama so anu neno na chini kita la ditu lobu miyo ode makamegini ode no miyo konki wo yo maramu implementing ode eno miyo implementing ode eno ni jone konku ako Kagieno geometric document Matthew authentic gen ku verifying kitim screening ni joma ki no ni gen ogamo ngomi yuma be do gen ben ko me du ka ben ki we gen ko dugi gen wa tiki
clearly now what tiki pek madum ile wachuri balalogi tel abo no joma kano ya kwanji gen be backbench no gire tap with the joma down what tiki loading syndrome issues local ngomia pa
Ojong ben lo.
Ojong ke ye down the fact lo me pa ko pa chu ti madung mada ento kiro na le mutela tikan len nenu ni am ke ya pi gulu city ke am ke ya pi pa de district MPs were you sign in the kanale con in MP Ethiopia Uganda law kere bigger ritual interest become a which is also very important now trial interest per district part trial interest by Julie in certain situations come MPs move we look about John piano John per la maybe a more John per year so you never know ilo kom ko man ngan ke area ne
Brian ingiu kawan wanen mot ya da ngoma yin wayin telo ada waneno wahami la bol ma chil ma yin pay gudu ikarama huwa bukati kilok ni yuma bukaro kipakwach kipa michero masindi mi chula ma will transport ya mata
maje ko bulanya
uberu jako bulanya ki woman MP meterego yena yo ken yolo ni jemenu ento issues ene no tikati affecting the entire Chule sub-region
in fact northern Uganda
it is actually the greater north it is anyway so lok majini kwa jeni MPs me ya Chule kitawni an kadati MP mi amoro umira nen pero ma araki ya mor ke ken ya keme ken bien as a member of parliament by umara in chiruni parliament petit ne pi constituency mayine aki yene ke ken tipi constituency mayine aki yene tipi region mayine aki yene tipi country mayine ti yene tipi continent mayine ti yene tipi willow mayine ti yene
na karani
wa karani kada wa ni constituency mayine ayi no karani do ti yangi kino so kawa neno jemini ni wanu ngeo ni angina chel mana neno machalo an man brand ba ko mati dire ya chuli ayeni la choka ya chuli madit pexe kawa neno Buganda kaka bako malo ulo dan wengi war Baganda's wengi war machakri da ento megwane karodi no megwane gulo ki waro bi ya penyi ni ana lego ni gunu gam ma ngeo ni waro moni pexe na do ane lok ni apoka ikidom unyo ke kwara chuli ene ta kilo pa iwe bien machalo ruot yini ti chalo ba makache yini na ne pehotie i community nyo ya chuli nyo karani yini goro MPs igini open
we no ba meji la pen mi na bi chien na yedo
yes
ene ni ke kwara chuli ma yilu dum gamna ngoma ini bitimo kai kagati inde ti office
imi
temo yuan ching du
yan tele community tele me la tele
actually kibora amachar maktu pongale ke kwa chuli budung ti maroma
uta
so kachel ke PG wendo
what you don't do la rio kumbiri jomani kama ni wan jomani wote
so Brad urdi bela actually machalo kana wan chiki pero ya chuli kawa na ninka bilmo ya ga kanyo tega bilmo na chuli ya chuli binya tutwa la dit mo bi wa ne actually pe wani la tin pangatumo pelon kich koma you know lo ha chema actually tikete o wa nyero enuni ripe ma enemy be gurri actually petit actually
and pay maturity has not been a traditional thing of actually John pay the bully can you know pay repair we'll boil me down with boom
we'll take one actually
when you're down no gain poor discovery give me a local remember example
local repair matter local kumbeni per repair me mwara ni challenge ate local matikari kumbidi ma wano tini repair actually kayen wipo la dit CJ gukatiki procho pacho uneno kit madamo ma pol gukatiki ka criticize you enemy you me there one there teach there
actually one of the call me defending girl young
so dama duong kitika kati winyo MPs mukani ana agenda pa joni nupania en makichere ka chokani ka kitelo kun kiloko lengo achuri ko yamanyoti impete ni angaba churi itika nawe so oweho anate wayne ikum karani anyat mantini bi karana ma clan ki order itika nawe weho do agenda pa kama chala chuli damu do peneno tutwa chi kachi wangwa neo ni no ludirume ya chuli mayam chon kitma dolo guchao ularo tunu guchao ne kanu lwa porikum joni we ho pekim guma pat mati ya chuli inuni pekimia poka inuni kiro mutia kone waneno kiketiki actually Castle Festival ultimate yana di mo ko do ruwenyo manda ne mo ka no dubu itigana ne we ana bedu kila dira chemu bedu technical person yup Castle Festival matika timeni pe program pa ke kwa kwaro actually it is an individual plan majo mogu katiki proposal inuni chigu choi buberu cha ka lobbying sponsorship keyboard companies mapapat why company manati yani Nel Boris bukatiki proposal ma an ki koma ya beru one of the staff Nel Boris to advocate ni kimi support may yupo Castle Festival. Now, Castle Festival ketmana ani yini wani kweni. Woro we actually ni wen ma aki chen. Kache. Chika woro we actually we ho lok make loko ke kunni dano dugu kere gan. Anati matending kachoke me pondune kirio. Malo ni kanu jo mati matending kachoke me gidugu kere gan ki implementing gan bot gi kan. Chi alors amaton adi da butime i kakana machala chule so neno na tieni ulogo lokum keka kwa chule pameti agama tutwa mi do lokum keka kwa chule because kumbele wanu ngeni watiki kansari kampa Port Santo apire minuma chiro niatia ikampa rot achana eni kumbele wanu ngeni but machalo anu kidi wuri ni weng ana rwate ketge inero na tieni ka constitution moni bien lo niawa tieni constitution pa chuli no tie ma wajani la wi wuri ki yara
era constitution of the karkara
makado kudi actually so no mere adaptation moni kiti
clarify ke kwa actually young pay constitution
yes
China no constitution tie the company but chano ki introducing constitution ma achama ko chwa chana wanu ko do
so that is what manu ate amerigo so kano ni kurijame enu ni ma wanu tika wacho nene no ni tiada chiki lu gine eto ka pere lu dira chuli kombiriti du ma wo pol pingo kempe ku dum kinu mo chalo convention gene weng mati lo ma papate gudu yan gumi fon bocho mati lu MPs ene ben magiti ene guri chingi ki jo eno ni magiti wakone jo ne weng MPs wengiti connections bi actually magiti diaspora so we honero na tieni kachi wano no la choha madit makeri wa MP winyo lo okay keri wa ruwa binu winyo lo okay beru chalo council of elders mapat ki do maku beru do pokani romo we ko wan watima addressing a poka mati ile wa chuli